Hi there everybody, and welcome to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can access and replace the indicator bulb here. Obviously same on the other side, indicator bulb is just there. So this is a Nissan Micra K13. This particular one is 2012, and I'm going to show you how you could access the bulb using a flathead screwdriver to make life a little bit easier in my case, and it might help others, but if you're really strong with your fingers you might not need the screwdriver. And the reason for that is because the indicator it's in here. So let me get some light. Okay, so the indicator is inside of here, and we need to turn this anti-clockwise in order to get it out. Now, getting a grip of that and turning it can be quite hard. So basically, what I normally do is, if I would get my screwdriver on that little flap there, and then get my finger on the other side and sort of push down on the screwdriver and push up with my finger, and that sort of that helps turn this, and then you can get that out. This actual bulb is still working, by the way. Right. But you can see it's been there a long time. It's already peeling off. And so what you would do normally is just press it and get it out. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace that bulb actually today. So these are the bulbs here. And it's an orange bulb. So get your bulb out. Just make sure the location of these little pins here is the same as the one you removed. So they are a little bit offset. So you can see these little pins, they are a little bit offset, they're not in line, and that's what we want. So then you go ahead, and this can only fit one way as well, so you have to get the pins to fit in the correct direction, like so, and then push it down and twist it clockwise, and that is in. Now we need to fit this back in there. If you wanted to facilitate the fitting of this, you could spray a little bit of WD-40 on this rubber here, and that would make it a lot easier to turn this for refitting. So you just basically locate the hole, make sure it fits in like so, and then obviously you need to twist it to lock it. And again, if you struggle with strength on your fingers, you can use your screwdriver just the opposite way this time. Just carefully push it down. Because you will feel it's really hard, so I can already feel it's hard, but because I'm doing it with my phone as well, I am struggling a little bit, but okay, there you are. I managed to get some strength on my fingers. But these can be really hard for other people. Obviously, I'm working on cars all the time, so maybe I have a little bit more strength on my hands, my fingers. But if you're not doing cars and that kind of manual work, these little jobs can be a pain in the neck. So sometimes it helps to use tools like a simple flathead screwdriver, or if you did spray a little bit of WD-40 on that little rubber grommet there, you will find how easy it's to turn that. So having said that, I hope the video helps. Don't forget to subscribe and follow for more tips.